This past weekend, we went to the Villages train show. I spent 4 hours there and did a lot of videos. I got about an hour and a half worth of videos, plus this one right here for the haul, which I live streamed on the Monday night live stream on Rumble. So, when we go to a train show, we really don't need anything. Well, I really don't need anything, but I go there, just to see what's available, just to video everything so all of you can see it. And I always pick up stuff that I really don't need, but, it looks good. It might, I like to have it. Even though I don't have a place to put it, I'll find a place to put it. But here is the train show haul from the live stream on Monday night. All right, so I got the big screen wide open here so you can see everything from top to bottom, all in this over here. So you can even see some of the stuff up here. But anyway, this one thing, these things right here, these neon signs from like this right here, usually go for about 40 or 50 bucks, but they had a bunch of them for like 20 bucks. So I got a Dr. Pepper. I had a choice of Dr. Pepper, YMCA, and a couple other ones, but I didn't want to spend too much money because we got the D-Land train show coming up in 2 weeks. So this is the first one here, the Dr. Pepper 1024. Since I drink Dr. Pepper, Diet Dr. Pepper, I've been drinking Diet Dr. Pepper ever since. Who knows when? How long? I can remember back in the 70s. Especially, that was the only thing that they had in the machines in the Air Force Base in Del Rio, Texas. New toys, yeah. So I got a bunch of these signs. I got a Budweiser sign up here someplace that I had that. But 20 bucks ain't bad. So I got that one right there. So that's one thing down. And then, as we was walking out, I went back to the Citrus Model Railroad Club, and as they sell stuff, they put more stuff out there. And this was $5 right here. This little locomotive. It's non-functional. He had like 4 of them right there. 2 of them were $20 and 2 of them were $5. I got one of the non-functional ones, but I'll be able to put this one in one of my industries. See if I could get it working. I'll take it apart and see what I could do with the motor in there, because it's just a little motor in there, and it's cute little thing right there. So for $5. All right, so that'll go really nice. All right. So another thing at Zitnik's table, I don't know why I keep getting these, but I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll put some lights on it, but I got some insulators. $4 a piece. A lot of people charge, for the colored ones, they charge like 10 to 15 bucks. They had these two. Well, one of them has a little nick in it, like on the bottom. I guess that's why they marked it down a little bit. Yeah, this has got a little nick on the side over here. So $4 a piece for these. So I got them. I was at a yard sale here in Sebring a couple of months ago, and this guy had a whole box of them. And I picked up 1, 2, 3, about 6 of them. I got 5 of them. He charged me $5 for it, and he said, "Here, I'll give you another one." He gave me 6 of them, so I got 6 of them for $5. But I got a bunch of these. I don't know where to put them, but we'll find a place. So I got to get a little table with a light on the bottom of it, so this will light up. Okay, another thing. Now I got 4 pieces of rolling, well, actually 5 pieces of rolling stock. This one right here got knuckle couplers and metal wheels. Pittsburgh Brewing Company, a refrigerated car, Iron City Buck. Since I'm from Pittsburgh, I figured, well, you know, why not? I'd get one of these. It's $10. So he had a lot of beer ones, so I figured, why not get Iron City beer? And the doors on there work. So $10 for that. And then I can't remember where I bought these from, but when I was getting them out of the bag, I think this was on the other side of the table where the Citrus Model Railroad Club was. But this one right here, this is a metal and wood box car, a metal roof right there, and metal doors that open, and also wood bottom and wood sides, and you got these funky couplers on them. Okay, those right there. And this right here, M&W card. When I was taking this out of the bag, I knocked off the one of the side of the trucks. This is the ones that got the real springs in there. So I just gonna have to stick it back together and put it back on there. But that's all right. That's one of them. Here's another M&W car, and these feel like they're metal because they're really heavy. This is metal right here. Another M&W car, number 725. And another one right here where I knocked the one door off. The door's sitting up there. Okay, all four of those for $10. So not bad, not bad for all those. So those will sit, you know, a lot of them don't have couplers on them, but you know, they'll sit over on the side for display. And one more thing. All right, so there was like 470s. Yeah, he had price tag of 475, 460 on these things. So I wanted the re-railers. So he says, well, you could have 3 of them for $10. So what I did was I got the 22-inch radius curves. So I got one pack of re-railers, code 83. There's 3 in there, and 2 packs of code 83, 22-inch radius, 6 curved tracks in each one. So not bad. And then Debbie, can't forget what Debbie got, because she always gets the free stuff. It's on the kitchen table yet. So let me go get it. All right, they always have a table somewhere that have free. Yeah, wait. But wait, there's more. So she got these Steel Mill Modeler's Journal. This one's from summer of 2021. It's a $12 magazine. And this is summer of 2017. Same thing, but she says, you get use it for, get ideas for weathering, colors and stuff like that. So it's got a lot of cool stuff because it's got steel mills in there. So I grew up in Pittsburgh, so I like steel mills too, but I don't have any room for it. But if I had room, I'd have some steel mills on here. But maybe I'll take some pictures and put the pictures in there to make it look like there's a steel mill in the background. So that is everything for the train show. So there you go. the train show hall.
Yeah, and don't forget, there is another train show October 4th at D-Land. And then at the end of the month in Timonium, 25th and 26th, we're going to be heading up to Maryland for that. But in the meantime, we always have the workbench right here. So this is what my project is right now, Montgomery Feed and Seed. We're about 2/3 of the way through it. I just finished up on the, well, not quite finished with the foundation. I have to use some India ink on it, and then you can see the sticks and other pieces in front of it. That is the loading dock right in front of it, and once we get that, then we do the roofs and other small details, and we'll be finished with this. So that's going to be next 3 or 4 sessions at the workbench. And don't forget, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday are workbench sessions. So I hope to see you there. Wednesday is the only time we do it on YouTube, but if you like, go over on Rumble and you'll be able to see all of it. And I also have other stuff that you can see there, because I do a lot of live streaming on there, between 45 and 50 hours per month. So see you there. So until the next time, we'll see you, and have fun at those train shows.